Take command of the road in the 2017 Toyota RAV4. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and more. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains a preset distance behind the car ahead of you, simplifying highway driving and enhancing safety. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.